Here's an Amazon Fire Max tablet. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this, okay? Very simple. So first thing you got to do is just go to settings. Then from here, scroll down to device options. So just keep going and we see device options right there. Tap on that right there. And then right down here it says reset the factory defaults. Remove all personal data and download the content from your Fire. Go ahead and make sure you read this, okay? When you do a factory reset, you are about to reset your Fire to factory defaults, which will remove all of your personal information, Amazon account information, downloaded content, and applications from internal storage. So if you want to proceed, tap on reset. It just turned off, booting back up, it says erasing. It'll be on here for a while, so be patient. And voila, we are in business. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.